The Audi A1 is a well-resolved car to drive, and it handles the rigors of the UK's severely worn and potholed asphalt admirably. The smaller wheeled versions, at least, provide a pleasant level of compliance, but we recommend testing the 18-inch alternatives before purchasing. The A1 steering is precise and well-weighted, and it efficiently resists excessive body roll in standard form, albeit it isn't as responsive as the Ford Fiesta or Mini, both of which are more engaging to drive. The 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission is exceptionally smooth, and most consumers will prefer it to the manual transmission, which is little notchy in operation. With 108 brake horsepower under the hood, the 1.0-liter 30 TFSI versions can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 9.4 seconds when paired with the S-tronic transmission, albeit the high gearing makes it feel slower from the driver's seat. The top speed is 126 miles per hour. The 2018 Audi A1's design isn't very groundbreaking by other manufacturers' standards, but it's quite unique when contrasted to the German marque's typical fare. The previous model appeared to be a little dated, but this one is undoubtedly one of the sportier cars in the Audi lineup. The massive trapezoidal front grille, with matching black air intakes on either side, as well as the 3 slots under the leading edge of the bonnet, are all aesthetic features taken straight from the 2017 Audi R8 supercar. Audi's virtual cockpit display is optional for all model versions, and the digital dashboard design is visually appealing and exceedingly high-tech. It sits in a wraparound binnacle, with everything skewed towards the driver, and there are hints of the A8 limousine's cabin style, though you won't find the dual central touchscreens found in Audi's more luxurious vehicles, and you'll have to rely on regular buttons to handle the climate control. The Audi A1 has an 8.8-inch touchscreen, as well as a DAB radio, and Audi's smartphone system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Audi's 10.25-inch digital cockpit is standard on all models, with the Vorsprung models getting a larger 10.1-inch infotainment display.